How's it going, everybody? Doug Janowicz here, Deputy Chief Instructor for Progressive Force Concepts. Just wanted to talk about an item we carry at pfcloadout.com. This is what's called the COMBATTLE. Originally designed for a couple different things, but one of them was a weapon. We got this in our hands and quickly found out that it's a perfect size and shape to assist us in malfunctions on the carbine. A typical malfunction that we cover in our rifle courses is what we call a triple feed. Some people might know it as a brass over bolt or bolt override. You start off with charging handle forward, empty casing going in the upper receiver, rotating or angling the muzzle up so that casing falls back, and then we set up a common double feed underneath that, which is how we get a triple feed or that brass over bolt. As you can see, with some good lighting there, you've got that empty casing up over the top, and the way we clear that is we get our mushy trigger, magazine comes out, and we immediately recognize we have what we call 50-50. We ease that charging handle forward, and a common way to clear this or get that bolt carrier group out of the way is to use a finger. Sometimes when the rifle's dirty, hot, and dry, we recommend using a tool, everything but a knife. You can use a Leatherman, a tool, but this COMBATTLE here works perfectly as far as the size, going right on the face of the bolt carrier itself, pulling back with the muzzle orientated down. That casing falls out. We let it go. We drop the tool because that's not important right now, and get the rifle back up and running, and we're back in action. So we found that works with some other malfunctions as well, clearing some double feeds that are sticky up there, and we have to get a tool or a finger up there and get those double feeds out. But works very, very great for the triple feed or brass over bolt or bolt carrier override. And again, that's the COMBATTLE. You can find that at pfcloadout.com. Thanks a lot.